Good morning, children. How are you? This is Chintamani, English CRT, KGBV Cavity, Srikakulam. Now I am going to teach about the selfish giant part 2. Before going to the part 2, let us try to recollect and remember the first part. In the first part, the giant did not allow the children to play in his garden. So there were no fruits, no flowers and no greenery. There were only snow and frost, the north wind and hail in the garden. There was spring everywhere except the giant's garden. So the giant felt very sad. Okay, let us start the lesson. Before going to the lesson, let us learn some vocabulary from the lesson. Linnet bird, a small brown and grey bird. Linnet bird, a small brown and grey bird. ఒక స్మాల్ చిన్న గ్రే అండ్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో ఉన్న ఒక చిన్న బర్డ్. హెయిల్, స్మాల్ బాల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ దట్ ఫాల్ లైక్ రెయిన్. మనం చూడండి, వర్షం పడేటప్పుడు వడగండ్లు పడుతుంటాయి కదా, చూస్తుంటారు కదా, అవే అన్నమాట వడగండ్లు అంటారు హెయిల్ అంటే. సీజ్, స్టాప్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, ఆగిపోవడం అన్నమాట. ట్విట్టరింగ్, మేకింగ్ ఏ సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ హై సౌండ్స్. చూడండి, పక్షులు కిచ్ 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 అని అరుస్తుంటాయి కదా, ఆ సౌండ్ని ట్విట్టరింగ్ అంటారు. స్నీజ్, సడన్లీ ఎక్స్పెల్ ఎయిర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నోస్ అండ్ మౌత్ డ్యూ టు ఇరిటేషన్ ఇన్ వన్స్ నాజిల్స్, తుమ్ములు రావడం. ఫీబుల్, లేకింగ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్, వీక్నెస్. హేత్, has, thee, you, slay, kill. Art, are, though, you. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా మనకు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ హెత్, ది, ఆర్ట్, దో, ఇవన్నీ మనం ఓల్డ్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఇవన్నీ వాడతారనమాట. Let us start the selfish giant part 2. The author name is Oscar Wilde. Old giant. One morning I was lying awake in bed when I heard some lovely music. It sounded so sweet that I thought it must be the king's musician passing by, but it was really only a little linnet bird singing outside my window. Old giant. One morning, old giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. The old giant heard a lovely music. It sounded so sweet. The sound is so sweet that the old giant thought that must be the king's musician passing by. The old giant thought the sound must be the king's musician song, but it was really only a little linnet bird singing outside his window. But the song came from little linnet bird. The little linnet bird was singing outside of the old giant window. It was so long since I had heard a bird sing in my garden that it seemed to me to be the most beautiful music in the world. After long time, old giant had a bird song. After long time, It seemed the most beautiful music in the world. It seemed the most beautiful music in the world. The giant, the hail has stopped dancing over my head, and the north wind has ceased his roaring. A delicious smell is coming from the window. I believe the spring has come at last. The hail has stopped dancing, and the north wind has ceased his roaring. A delicious smell coming from the window. A delicious smell. Delicious means చాలా మంచి వాసన, మంచి అన్నమాట, చాలా మంచిదన్నమాట. ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద విండో. ఏ డెలిషియస్ స్మెల్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద విండో. The giant believe the spring has come at last. The old giant believe the spring has come at last. ఏమనుకున్నాడు అతనికి, ఆ జైంట్కి బయట నుంచి ఒక మంచి స్మెల్ వచ్చిందనమాట అతని విండో నుంచి. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ స్మెల్ వచ్చిందో ఏమనుకున్నాడు, నా తోటలోకి స్ప్రింగ్ వచ్చిందనమాట అని అనుకున్నాడు. ఓల్డ్ జాయింట్, ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ ట్రీ ఐ కుడ్ సీ ఎ లిటిల్ చైల్డ్. ద ట్రీస్ వర్ సో గ్లాడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద children back again, that they had covered themselves with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's heads. In every tree I could see a little child. Every tree has a little child. The giant saw this. The trees were so glad. The trees were so happy. Why? The children back again. The children back again. That trees had covered themselves with blossoms. Trees covered themselves with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's heads. Arms means branches. The trees were waving their arms gently the children's heads. The birds were flying about and twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. The birds were flying above the garden. The birds were flying above the garden and twittering so delight. Delight means happy. చాలా బర్డ్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చి ఎప్పుడైతే చెట్లన్నీ పువ్వులతో నిండిపోయో ఆ బర్డ్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చి ట్విట్టరింగ్ చేస్తూ అలా కిచకిచకిచమని అరుస్తూ ఆ తోట మొత్తం ఎగురుతున్నాయి. The trees were waving their arms. Flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. The flowers were looking through the green grass and laughing. It was a lovely scene. It was a lovely scene. Only in one corner it was still winter. But in the garden, one corner was still winter. It was the farthest corner of the garden. It was the farthest corner, and in it was standing a little boy. There was a little boy standing. He was so small that he could not reach up to the branches of the tree, and he was wandering all around it, crying bitterly. The little boy was so small, so he couldn't reach up to the branches of the trees. He couldn't reach up to the branches of the trees. So he was wandering all around the tree. So he was wandering all around the tree and crying bitterly. The poor tree was still quite covered with frost and snow. The poor tree was still covered with frost and snow. The north wind was blowing and roaring above it. The north wind was blowing and roaring above the tree. "Climb up, little boy," said the tree, and it bent its branches down as low as it could. But the little boy was too tiny. It was then that my heart melted. "Climb up, little boy," said the tree. The tree said to the boy, "Climb up." But why the little boy so small? And it bent its branches down as low as it could. Then the trees bent his branches, but the little boy was too tiny. Tiny means very small. The little boy is very small. It was then that my heart melted. The old giant heart was melted. Let me ask some questions. Where was old giant lying? Where was old giant lying? The old giant lying in the bed. What did he hear? He heard lovely music. What is the name of the little bird? What is the name of the little bird? The little bird name was Linnet. Where was the bird singing? The bird singing outside of the giant's window. What was coming from the window? What was coming from the window? A delicious smell. How did the children creep in the giant's garden? How did the children creep in the giant's garden? Through a little hole in the wall. Through a little hole in the wall. Who were so glad to have children back again? Who were so glad to have children back again? The trees. Who was standing corner of the garden? Who was standing corner of the garden? A little boy. Why was the little boy crying bitterly? Why was the little boy crying bitterly? Because he couldn't reach up to the branch of the tree. Because the little boy could not reach up to the branch of the tree. "Climb up, little boy." Who said these words? Climb up, the little boy. Who said these words? The tree. The giant. How selfish I have been. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put the poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the wall, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. The giant thought, how selfish I have been. The giant knows why the spring would not come here. the giant will put the poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then giant will knock down the wall. And so he thought that his garden should be the children's playground forever and ever. ఏమనుకున్నాడు అక్కడ, నేను ఎంత ఫూలిష్గా బిహేవ్ చేశాను, ఇక నుంచి ఈ గోడ నా చుట్టూ, నా తోట చుట్టూ ఉన్న గోడని నేను మొత్తం ఇరిపేసి ఈ తోటని పిల్లలకి ప్లేగ్రౌండ్గా చేసేస్తానని అనుకున్నాడు. ఓల్డ్ జైంట్, ఐ వాజ్ రియల్లీ వెరీ సారీ ఫర్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ డన్. సో ఐ క్రప్ట్ డౌన్ స్టైర్స్ and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. But when the children saw me, they were so frightened that they all ran away, and the garden became winter again. The old giant felt very sad for what he had done. So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. The old giant crept downstairs and opened the door quietly and went into the garden. But when the children saw me, they were so frightened that they all ran away, and the garden became winter again. When the children saw the old giant, they were so frightened and ran away. The garden became winter again. The winter came back again. Only the little boy did not run, for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see me coming. But the little boy did not run. The little boy did not run. His eyes full of tears. That the little boy did not see old giant coming. So I stole up behind him and took him gently in my hand and put him up into the tree, and the tree broke at once into blossom, and the birds came and sang on it, and the little boy stretched out his 2 arms and flung them round my neck and kissed me. When the other children saw that, they came running back, and with them came the spring. So the old giant stole up behind him and took him gently in his hand. ఏం చేశాడు, నెమ్మదిగా ఆ అబ్బాయి దగ్గరికి, లిటిల్ బాయ్ దగ్గరికి నెమ్మదిగా వెళ్ళాడనమాట. నెమ్మదిగా వెళ్ళి తన చేతుల్లోకి ఇలా తీసుకున్నాడు. అండ్ పుట్ హిమ్ అప్ ఇంటూ ద ట్రీ. ఏం చేశాడు, చేతుల్లో తీసుకొని అతనికి చెట్టుపైకి ఎక్కించాడు. The tree broke at once into blossoms. The trees broke at once into blossoms, and birds came and sang. At once the trees broke blossoms, and the birds sang on the tree. And the little boy stretched out his 2 arms and flung them round my neck and kissed me. వెంటనే ఏం చేశాడు అబ్బాయి, చెట్టుపైకి ఎక్కించిన వెంటనే తన 2 చేతులతో ఆ జైంట్ని ఇలాగా తన మెడ చుట్టూ చేతులు వేశాడు. ఆ జైంట్ మెడ చుట్టూ చేతులు వేశాడు. చేతులు వేసి ఏం చేశాడు, అండ్ కిస్డ్ ద జైంట్. కిస్డ్ ద జైంట్. When the other children saw that, they came running back, and with them came the spring. After watching this, all the children came running back, and with them came the spring. The giant, "It is your garden now, little children." The giant said to the little children, "It is your garden now." Old giant, "I took a great axe and knocked down the wall, and when the people were going to market at 12 o'clock, they found me, as me, playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. All day long we played, and in the evening the children came to bid me goodbye." Old giant took a great axe and knocked down a wall. The people who were going to market at 12 o'clock, they saw him. Then the old giant said, "As me, playing with the children in the most beautiful garden you had ever seen." All day long the giant, old giant and children played together, and in the evening the children came to bid old giant goodbye. ఏమైంది? మార్కెట్ గుండా వెళ్తున్న 12 o'clockకి మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తున్న పీపుల్ అందరూ ఈ ఓల్డ్ జైంట్ని చూశారు. ఎలా కనిపించాడు ఓల్డ్ జైంట్? ఆ పిల్లలతో ఆడుతూ కనిపించాడు అనమాట. అప్పుడు ఓల్డ్ జైంట్ ఇలా అన్నాడు, "అవును, మీరు చూస్తుంది నిజమే, నేనే పిల్లలతో ఆడుతున్నాను" అని చెప్పాడనమాట. In the evening the children bid him goodbye. First, tall girl, "Now we have somewhere to play." Short boy, "This is much better than the road. This garden is much better than the road." Square girl, "Yes, the road is so dusty and the dust makes me sneeze." The road is so dusty, it makes me sneeze. Graceful girl, "And the grass is so much nicer than all those hard stones." Round boy, "I like all the flowers." He likes all the flowers. Graceful girl, "And the trees." The graceful girl likes the trees. Tall girl, "How happy we are all here. Thank you, Mr. Giant. We are all felt happy. Thank you, Mr. Giant." Round boy, "Yes, thank you. You are a very, very nice giant. You are a very, very nice giant." The giant, "But where is your little companion?" Companion means friend. The giant asked to the children, "Where is your little companion? The boy I put into the tree." "Where is your little companion? Where is your little friend?" "The boy I put into the tree." Graceful girl, "I don't know." Round boy, "He has gone away." The giant, "You must tell him to be sure to come here tomorrow. You must tell him to come here tomorrow." Tall girl, "I don't know where he lives." I don't know where he lives. Square girl, "I have never seen him before." I have never seen the little boy. Here nobody knows about the little boy. The giant, "But I wanted to thank him. When he kissed me on the cheek, I felt as though a great weight had been lifted from my heart." ఓల్డ్ జైంట్ అప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట, ఏంటని? "I wanted to thank him." నేను అతనికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఎందుకంటే ఎప్పుడైతే అతను నా బుగ్గ పైన ముద్దు పెట్టాడో నా మనసులో ఉన్న భారమంతా ఒకసారి మాయమైపోయింది. అందుకోసమే నేను ఆ లిటిల్ బాయ్కి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను అని ఆ పిల్లలతో చెప్పాడనమాట. షార్ట్ బాయ్, ఐఎమ్ సారీ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ హీ లివ్స్ అరౌండ్ హియర్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ హీ లివ్స్ అరౌండ్ హియర్. ఓల్డ్ జాయింట్, every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with me, but I never saw again the little boy who I loved. Oh, I would like to see him again. I have grown old and feeble waiting. I cannot play about with the children anymore, so I sit here in my armchair and watch the children at their games and admire my garden. I have many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. Every afternoon after the school, the children came to his garden and played with the giant. But the old giant never seen the little boy. He would like to see him again. He would like to see him again. He has grown old and feeble waiting. అతను ఆ అబ్బాయిని చూడాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. ఎంతవరకు అతను ముసలైపోయినా, ఫీబుల్ మీన్స్ వీక్ అయిపోయినంత వరకు నేను అయిపోయినా పర్వాలేదు, అలా వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, ఆ అబ్బాయిని నేను కలవాలి అని అనుకున్నాడు. He cannot play about with the children anymore. So he sat on his chair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. I have many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. The old giant likes children than the flowers. He has beautiful flowers in his garden, but he likes children than flowers. Let me ask some questions. Why was giant felt very sorry? Why was giant felt very sorry? Because he did not allow the children to play in his garden. Because he did not allow the children to play in his garden. Second question, what did the children do after seeing old giant? The answer is they were frightened and run away. Third question, what did the little boy do after he was put up into the tree? What did the little boy do after he was put up into the tree? Answer is the boy stretched out his arms and flung them around old giant neck and kissed him. Fourth one, it is your garden now. Who is the speaker? The speaker is the giant. What is the meaning of companion? Companion means friend. Sixth one, how are the children in the garden now? How are the children in the garden now? They were very happy. Whom did old giant like to see again? Whom did old giant like to see again? The little boy. Answer is the little boy. Eighth one, who are the most beautiful than flowers? Who are the most beautiful than flowers? Children are the most beautiful flowers. Children are the most beautiful than flowers. Old giant got up and looked out of the window. I no longer hate the winter. It is merely the spring asleep. The flowers are resting. అనుకున్నాడు. నాకు వింటర్ అంటే అంత అసహించుకోవట్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఆ టైంలో స్ప్రింగ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? పడుకుని ఉంటుంది. ద ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ రెస్టింగ్. ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ రెస్టింగ్. సడన్లీ హీ రబ్స్ హిజ్ ఐస్ ఇన్ వండర్ అండ్ లుక్స్ అరౌండ్. Suddenly the old giant rubs his eyes and wonder and looks around. What a marvelous sight this is in the farthest corner of the garden. What a marvelous sight this is. The farthest corner of the garden. A tree covered with lovely white blossoms. Its branches are all golden and silver fruit hangs down from them. And what is this? Can it be? Oh, can it be? He has come back. He has come back. A tree covered with lovely white blossoms and its branches are all golden and silver fruits hangs down from them. The giant thought, what is this? Can it be? Oh, can it be? Avuna, he has come back. Who has come back? The little boy has come back. The old giant leaps down the stairs into the snowy garden and to the grassy patch where the child standing. The old giant leaps down the stairs and into the snowy garden and to the grassy patch where the child is standing. When they draws close to the child and examine him, the old giant examines the child. His face grows red with anger. The old giant face grows red with anger. Old giant, who hath dared to wound thee? Hath means has. Thee means you. Who has dared to wound you? Your hands, your feet. Who has dared to wound you? Tell me, that I may take out my big sword and slay him. Who had dared to your wound? ఎవరు నీకు గాయపరిచారు? Tell me that I may take out my big sword and slay him. నేను వాళ్ళని నా కత్తి తీసుకొని చంపేస్తాను. Child, nay, but these are the wounds of love. They are necessary. Nay means no. No, but these are the wounds of love. They are necessary. Old giant falling to his knees. ఎప్పుడైతే అలా ఆ అబ్బాయి అలా అన్నాడో, లిటిల్ బాయ్ ఒక్కసారి తన మోకాలతో నించున్నాడు, మోకాలతో కూర్చున్నాడు. Little child, who art thou? Art means are. Thou means you. Who are you? Little child, who are you? Child, the child is smiling. You let me play once your garden. Today you shall come with me to live in my garden which is in paradise. Yes, let me play once in your garden. Today you shall come with me to live in my garden which is paradise. Paradise means స్వర్గం. స్వర్గంలో నా తోటలో, స్వర్గంలో ఉన్న నా తోటలోకి నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు రా, ఒకసారి నువ్వు నా తోటలో ఆడుకొనిచ్చావు, ఇప్పుడు నాతో స్వర్గానికి రా. ద చైల్డ్ climbs into the old giant's arms. The winter melts away before them as they walk into an ever expanding garden. The child climbs into the old giant's arms. The winter melts away before them as they walk into an ever expanding garden. అలా ఆ అబ్బాయి ఓల్డ్ జైంట్ని స్వర్గానికి తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఆ లిటిల్ బాయ్ ఎవరు అనుకుంటున్నారు? ఇతను ఒక దేవదూత అనమాట. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ ఆస్క్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మార్వెలస్ సైట్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ద మార్వెలస్ సైట్ ఈస్ ఏ ట్రీ covered with lovely white blossoms. Its branches are all golden and silver fruits hangs down. Second one, who has come back? Answer is the little child has come back. Third one, how is the child different from the other children? Answer is the child was so small that he could not climb the tree to play like other children. Next question, how does the narrator explain the idea of springtime? Pick out some expressions. Answer is the hail has stopped dancing, the north wind has ceased and roaring, a delicious smell is coming. Next question, what is the central theme of the play? Answer is the nature of the fruits should be enjoyed all living beings. Nature cannot be held by singular person. In the story, we consider children are representation of God. God is happy when the children are happy. Okay, thank you all of you.